In ancient time, people used hourglass to measure the passage of time. Hourglass is a simple device consisting of two glass bulbs which are connected vertically with a narrow neck, and that allows the flow of sand or liquid from top to bottom. Most of the time the flow duration is about 1 hour. That's why this device got this name. That's enough. Why am I talking this? Because today's video is about how to build a digital hourglass using Arduino. Now you can see when I change the orientation, LED pattern changes. That is just like the real sand in hourglass. Hope you got what I mean. So let's see how to build this. First we need a Arduino. I'm using Arduino Uno. Next, to detect the orientation, I am using ADXL335 3-axis accelerometer. Then we need two 8x8 Max 7219 base LED matrix and a battery. I am using 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. First I arrange the LED matrix like a conical shape like in the video. Remember to cascade the LED matrix, that is connect D out of the first matrix to the D in of the second matrix. Also connect CS to CS, clock to clock, and also connect power wires. After arranging this, I connected enameled copper wires to matrix pins. You can use any kind of wires. I am using this because to reduce the size. After that, connect wires also to accelerometer, connect wires to ground, VCC, X-axis, Y-axis. Connect grounds of matrix and accelerometer to ground of Arduino and all VCCs to 5 volt of Arduino. Now connect X to A1, Y to A2. Then connect CS of LED matrix to D6, D into D5, clock pin to D4. Once again I tested the circuit and changed some code. Finally you can see the working. But we can use this like this. We need a proper enclosure. For that I took 3 mm foam sheet and drawn some lines with my ideas. Then I cut boards through that drawn lines. After that I drawn 2 squares in front panel and I cut and remove that squares. Then I glued the sides as like in the video. I did same for all sides. After that I got a structure like this. Before placing the matrix, I desoldered matrix from Arduino, also the accelerometer. At that time, I decided to change the Arduino Uno because Uno is bulky for this enclosure. So I am going to use my DIY Arduino, or you can use Nano. Now I placed my matrix in socket. And soldered each wires to my DIY Arduino. All connections are same as before. After connecting all together, I placed everything inside the enclosure. and secured with glue gun. Place accelerometer according to the position of box. Finally, I added a switch in the back cover. After closing the enclosure, let's check. Now you can see everything is working perfectly. The time duration of our hourglass is about 1 minute. Link for the code and the schematic available in the description. If you have any doubt or face any problem, you can comment in the comment section. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from my video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. All up to you. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.